All right, guys, I got good news and I got bad news. What do you want first?
I want bad news.
The bad news is you're going to have to pack your bags, because the good news is ROC USA has officially formed. So congratulations to both of you. I know this is a big moment for the company in general and for the family too. So it's I figured I'd be the first to share the news with you.
40 years, just getting started.
Yeah,
We've said
40
it,
years.
but you know this feels like we actually meant it.
Yeah, feels a bit like our own mark. Like Mom and Dad did a lot keeping the business running for 40 years in Canada, but the fact that we're going to get to move on into the States, kind of crazy. What does this mean? Well, we have a lot of projects already scheduled. St. Louis, Cleveland,
Detroit Zoo, Buffalo Zoo, and then that's just the beginning.
I guess in this, we're also announcing our plan that we will be creating a full-time crew in the USA and that I will be moving down to the States indefinitely to get this going. And I'm bringing this one with me too. I don't think this changes anything from our YouTube stance. Everybody will be able to see what we do stateside on the channel as well. Same family. And same work, just two different borders now, right?
Timer bed board, start the show.
Howdy.